today's video. So, as you can tell by the title, that I am here at IKEA right now, and I want to walk around and see what they have new for 2021. Some of my favorite videos that I've done and that you guys love as well are some of my IKEA videos. What better way to kickstart the year than seeing some of the new products they have, and also talk about some of my all-time faves that they sell here. So without further ado, let's go. I always love seeing the displays they have right in the entry when you first come in. And I notice they're doing a lot of organization. Everyone has that bug for spring cleaning, so you can definitely tell that's what they were going for. I was obsessed with these little baskets. You could just use them as is, or you could fill them full of magazines or trinkets that you just want to stow away. And I just fell in love with these pendants as well. I just think they have a very Serena and Lily vibe. Same with these woven chairs. I actually would love to get these for our dining room, and they're only $79.99. But I love that they're rattan bamboo, and you just need a little cushion seat. This chaise would be so comfortable in a theater room, and it was only $400. If you're looking for some good throw pillows, these are 100% cotton and only $3.99 for a 20 by 20. I loved this wooden base lamp, and check out this sleeper sofa for $6.99. These are a staple they've had forever, the Astrid sconce. Okay, so they are not that busy right now, which is awesome. But one of the employees just saw me and he was asking me like, oh, what are you doing? And I told him, oh, I'm just doing just filming for my YouTube channel. And he's like, you're the second person today that has been through here filming. And I'm like, you gotta get content for 2021, you know? So anyway, so far I am seeing a lot of dark colors, which I know dark Moody's kind of making a comeback, but I'm seeing a lot of the showroom be very dark, and I'm seeing a lot of textures and fabrics, so I'm excited about that. So let's see what else we can find here. The infamous Billy bookcase you can do so many different things with for $49. If you can't tell, I had my mask on backwards a minute ago, so sorry about that. If you can't tell, I've been loving this green lately. It's been one of my favorite colors. They have really made this cabinet beautiful in this mint green for $89. I think it would be so pretty in a bathroom with towels. Also, these buckets for 49 cents. Okay, let's just talk about the possibilities here. If you had a craft room, it would be perfect for organizing all of your markers, crayons, pencils. You could also use them as little planters. It would be so cute, I think, to have kids decorate them and give them as gifts. I mean, the possibilities are endless. I was really seeing a lot of dark colors at IKEA, including this beautiful hunter green, which I am totally down with. And then I love that they did a contrast white island. I love this island. It was pretty big. You have storage on one side, and then on the other side you could actually put bar stools, and the price was really good. It was $3.99, and it was a really good size island. Also, I am digging this double farmhouse stainless steel sink. I love a classic white and gray kitchen, and then of course an all white kitchen with butcher block countertops. Just beautiful. They had a million different wonderful doorknobs of all shapes and sizes. I was really impressed with more of the unique looking ones, including some of the brass pieces as well. I loved these pulls and these little tiny knobs. They to me look like something from Rejuvenation. One of the things IKEA is notorious for is the organization. I'm trying to eliminate as much plastic from our house as possible, and I love these wooden trays. I think that they help you keep your drawers nice and organized. This was by far my favorite find from IKEA. This I have never seen before, and I don't know if it's been around a while or not, but for $100, this brass faucet was just stunning. These would be so perfect for a garage entry or a mudroom to help keep things organized. These are new. The white one was $2.50 and the black one was $3.99. And again, organization, the beauty of it, they are just great functional pieces. This I thought would be so beautiful for a bedroom. I loved the mirror armoire. And then inside it already had a rod for you to hang your clothes. And then there was a really nice pull-out drawer down below. And it worked really nice as well, but you could easily use this as storage for $3.99. Okay, so let's go downstairs in the marketplace. This is more where I find more of my favorite items. Everyone was doing sourdough this past year, and so for $9.99 you can't go wrong. I love all of their bakeware. This bamboo tray, beautiful for $9.99. I love the detail of it, and I think with a pitcher in the summertime with some glasses on it would be beautiful. Of course, this brass tray. Okay, bedding. I have found some of my favorite bedding from here. I loved this blush bedding. It is new, so stinking beautiful, $29.99, and the sham had a little ruffled detail around the edge. You can find some great filler pillows at IKEA for crazy cheap. Like I said in the earlier video, for $3.99 you can easily find a pillow. So if you need some throw pillows just to fill in your home, these are a great find. I love how you can find alternative and down for the inserts as well. This is one of my favorites right here. To me, this just looks so high-end with this slump 100% linen pillow. It's funny seeing some of the patterns come back, like these twill curtains were new for $39.99. And then of course, a classic houndstooth as well. These Ritva, they are in our whole house. They are cotton and they look like linen, as you can see through the weave here, but they're cotton and they are 30 bucks and they look so expensive. I always love to take a peek at their yardage as well for $5.99. You can find some really pretty fabrics as well if you're feeling a little more daring to do some projects. I fell in love with this hamper. It reminded me again of Serena and Lily for 40 bucks, and I loved the rattan look of it. These doors, love. Again, I'm a sucker for anything rattan or woven, and these to me just look so expensive. Okay, how cute is this toolbox? But you could use it for so many different things. You could use it for kids' crafts items. You could use it, I was even thinking for my sewing items to keep it together, your tools, whatever, for $30. Of course, everyone loves these baskets. I've seen a million different hacks on these, and I think they are beautiful. These are new Jute Totes that you can use for your storage up in your closet. I love the look of these for $12.99. And then of course there's more baskets. These were $12.99, and then there was a smaller version for $9.99. And I just thought that these looked like something from Pottery Barn, and you could easily use them to help organize, or you could even put them up in your closet. Okay, check out these glass lamps. Aren't they stunning? And then I loved these sconces as well. They're more industrial. And then of course my tried and true Astrid sconce that was actually on sale for 15 bucks. I loved these woven pendants. Again, they reminded me of something from Serena and Lily, but you have to buy a light kit as well to go with them. The large one was $40, which I thought was an amazing deal. This is new as well. This linear pendant goes over a dining table for $80, and it had a very industrial farmhouse vibe, but I thought it looked very nice as well. I'm digging this dark green pendant for 18 bucks. Cute little mirrors. And I loved these new herb and vegetable garden artwork for 20 bucks. I love anything brass, and so rattan and brass, just give it all to me, right? So anyway, I loved all of these different type of brass frames that they had, including my favorite for $5, which is this beautiful little brass glass frame or picture that you can hang. Faux fiddly figs for 50 bucks, because who doesn't love a fiddly fig? And of course, I had to check out the planters. I love these rattan. They had it in 2 different sizes, and then these beautiful navy blue planters as well. Just beautiful. Alright guys, so that's it for this video. As you can tell, it is getting pretty dark outside. I'm going to head home, but thank you guys for coming along with me and letting me show you some of the new things at IKEA, as well as some of my favorites, because there are some staples that are IKEA that you just can't go wrong. And then I think that's kind of it. I'm gonna go home and give this video a thumbs up. Alright guys, so that's it for this video. Have a good week, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.